the expenditure for the year 23-22. So it's a very vast subject, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, where I would be required to speak on both. Sir, at the outset, I compliment the Deputy Chief Minister Sahab Janab Bhatti Vikrama Sahab for presenting the first budget of the new government. He has rightly pointed out that the state budget is the presentation in the government's action plan to achieve the aspiration of the people of Telangana. The Deputy CM Sahab had added a caveat that the new government faces a dire financial position, as already pointed out in the white paper presented in the first session of the Assembly. He has also assured the new government is committed to match its action with its words. So the government has reiterated its commitment to implement the Abhaya Hastam 6 guarantees. I may point out that 2 components of 2 guarantees have been implemented and another 2 guarantees are being implemented soon. I hope and I trust that the remaining components of 6 guarantees, including Mahalakshmi, Raitu Bharosa, Indaramma, Indulu, Yuta and Yuva Vikasam will be implemented at the earliest before the 100 days deadline, which ends on 15th of March. Sir. So the Honorable Speaker, sir, the Deputy CM Sahab had assured that all promises made during the election campaigning would be fulfilled and 5 declarations for farmers, youth, SC, STs, BCs and minorities would be implemented. So he has pointed out the state budget has proposed 53,196 crores for implementation of schemes under the 6 guarantees. He has assured that additional funds would be provided once a complete assessment is made about the financial requirements of all guarantees, declaration and promises, sir. So, Honorable Speaker, sir, so through you, sir, we are having a white paper on the financial position of the state. We have also had a white paper on power, sir, and now we are also going to have a white paper on irrigation, I believe. So I think, sir, after all the white papers, whichever the government wants, one white paper on behalf of opposition should also be discussed, and this should be regarding this implementation of 6 guarantees, sir. Sir, I wish him all the best in this regard, since he has to perform and deliver in the context of the resource constraints that the state government faces. Sir, it is only a vote on account budget, and a full budget is likely to be presented sometime during forthcoming July and after the Lok Sabha elections. However, the state budget for the year 24-25 mirrors the likely scenario of state finances of the next financial year, sir. Sir, as per the budget estimate of 24-25, the total receipts are expected to be rupees 2,74,185.71 crores, and the total expenditure is anticipated to be rupees 2,75,890.69 crores. Sir. So these figures represent a sharp decline from the budget estimates of the year 2023 and 2024, but show a substantial increase over the revised estimate of 23-24. I do hope that when the full-fledged budget is presented, sometime in July, we may have a clear picture of the receipts and allocations. So the receipt estimates works out to rupees 22,849.89 crores per month, and the expenditure estimate comes to 22,990.89 crores per month, sir. Per month, sir. So the receipt estimates include the loan and other borrowings of rupees 53,279.82 crores during the financial year 2024 and 2025, and this comes to rupees 4,435.65 crores per month, sir. So the interest payment in the financial year comes to 22,751.82 crores, that is rupees 1,895.98 crores per month. Hence, during the 4-month period of voter account, April to July 2024, the borrowings would come up to 17,742.60 crores. I repeat, sir, the borrowings would come to rupees 17,742 42.60 crores. Honorable Speaker, sir, I may point out that as per the accounts of the year 2022 and 23, the borrowings of the state government, otherwise called as fiscal deficit, amounted to rupees 32,556.50 crores. The revised estimate is rupees 33,785.83 crores in the current financial year, that is 2023 and 2024. In the next financial year, 2024 and 2025, the Telangana government will be borrowing rupees 53,227.82 crores, that is rupees 19,848.99 crores, sir. Sir, through you, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, I would like the Deputy CM Saab to clarify whether the Congress, which has been present in the state legislature as the opposition, was unaware of the state of affairs of the state financials in the last 10 years since the formation of Telangana. So if the party was aware, then the question arises as to how the Congress has been very liberal in coming up with the 6 guarantees, 5 declarations, and over 300 promises in its manifesto for the assembly elections of 2023, which requires enormous allocation of tens of thousands of crores, sir. Sir, if we have to go, once again, sir, I am repeating, for Mahalakshmi scheme, sir, the requirement per month, as per my calculation, only to the BPL families would be 2,249. Per annum, it would be 26,997, sir. Gas cylinder for rupees 500, providing 12 cylinders per annum only to BPL families. Per month, the requirement would be 5,399.40 crores. And per annum, sir, it will be 2,699.70. Free travel for women, sir, per annum, as per my calculation, 3,600. Farmers' financial assistance of 15,000 per acre. Tenant farmers, sir, per month, 1,54,040, 1,54,40,518, sir. Acres of land, sir. The amount required per annum for this would be 23,160.87, sir. Sir, rupees 12,000 per annum for 32 lakhs, Manrega job card holders, agriculture laborers, sir. The available laborers are 32 lakhs, sir. For that, 3,840 crores, sir. Sir, a bonus of rupees 500 for paddy per quintal, providing 1.5 crores, 15 crore quintals. The requirement per annum would be 7,500, sir. Sir, and also waiver of crop loans of rupees 2 lakhs. Sir, if we have to calculate these, sir, so then the amount is coming to 36,000 crores, sir. Sir, now, sir, again, as per the record, 69 lakh farmers are there. अगर उसको हम पूरा डिटेल में गए बगैर हम अगर जाते हैं साहब, Telangana state has also total extents of 2.40 crore acre of agricultural land in 1.7 lakh crore, sir. अगर इसको भी हम ले लेते हैं, sir, and then we go to Gruha Jyoti, the third guarantee, sir, 200 unit free electricity for all household according to the official figures, sir. There are 174.03 lakh power connections in the state, which is 125.56 lakhs connections according to 72.15% of the total consumers belong to domestic sector. If the domestic consumers are not charged up to 200 units of power per month, the total burden on the state would be anywhere around 4,800, sir. Sir, also, sir, for this Dalit Bandi Ambedkar Abhaya Hastam, sir, that has also been announced, sir, in the third guarantee. Indramma Indulu, Yuva Vikasam, sir. Sir, in this Indramma Indulu, sir, house sites and rupees 5 lakh financial assistance for Indramma houses for 3,500 per constituency, sir. It works out to 25,000 crores per annum, sir. Sir, Yuva Vikasam Vidya Bharosa card, financial assistance card of rupees 5 lakhs will be provided, sir, for the students. Sir, for that again, 38,894.22 crores would be required, sir. Sir, if we go further ahead, implementation of Vidya Jyotilu Patakam Abdul Kalam Tohfa Talim scheme, and rupees 25,000 upon graduation, 15,000 for intermediate, 10,000 student and passing of 10th grade, the total requirement would be 6,476 crores, sir. Sir, MPhil, PhD, as per All India Survey on Higher Education books, sir, 2019 and 20, 5,881 students have enrolled. So for this, sir, 5 lakhs rupees, 294.05 crores per month would be required. Postgraduate students, 1,84,520 at the rate of 1 lakh. For this, 1,845.20 crores would be required. Graduates, 10,000, 10,78,781 at the rate of 25,000. For the current academic year 23-24, a total of 4 lakhs 9,450 seats are available for intake of 986 colleges in the state. Per month requirement for this would be 2,696.95. Inter students, sir, again, I have all the calculations. The amount required per month will be 1,221. SSC March, 4,19,460 students have passed, sir. And at the rate of 10,000, the amount required would be 419.46 crores. Cheyuta, monthly pension 4,000. For this, sir, 1,850 crores would be required, sir. Sir, for these 6 guarantees, the amount that would be required per annum would be 2,15,568.45. I might be wrong, sir. This is why I am demanding a white paper discussion is required, sir. Sir, at the same time, going further ahead, sir, there are other promises also in the manifesto, like electric scooters will be provided to all young women above 18 years. For that, sir, I have done my own calculations, sir. The required per annum would be 3,37,000.24 crores, sir. Farmer will be given interest-free crop loans. For that, 8,225 crores is required. Ambedkar Abhaya Hastam, 30,000 crores is required. House sites and all, again 30,000. Martyrs of first and last phase of Telangana movement will be identified officially. Reorganized and government jobs will be given to one person from their family. Additional monthly honorarium of rupees 20,000, 25,000 will be given. ये पूरा अगर इसके हिसाब से जाते हैं sir, तो 60 crores per annum is required for that. Then Youth Commission will be set up to provide interest-free loan up to 10 lakhs. अगर वो देखते हैं तो 10,000 crores are required. Monthly honorarium of rupees 10,000, 12,000 for priests from all religion include imam, mauzan, khadim, pastors, granthis. At present, 17,000 is the strength. Sir, for that 244 per annum is required. 1,010 grams of gold in Dhamma gift to Hindu and rupees 1,60,000 for minority girls at the time of their marriage, sir. अगर वो ले लेते हैं तो 5,113.77 crores. Sir, if we have to see midday meal workers, sir, as per the manifesto of Congress, again per annum for this 996 is required. Monthly salaries for Anganwadi teachers will be increased to rupees 18,000 and rest is there, sir. For that the requirement would be 1,335.60 crores. We will be providing monthly honorarium of rupees 1,500 to village panchayats, sir. For that 160 crores would be required per annum. For PRC of government employees and RTC staff, and implementation is a recommendation within 6 months. Sir, RTC के बारे में उसके लिए per annum 2,000 is required. Provide financial assistance of rupees 12,000 per year to auto rickshaw drivers, and requirement is 537 crores, sir. Also, it has been promised that we will provide monthly honorarium of 5,000 public distribution ration dealers, sir. For that, the requirement is 103 crores. So 25 lakhs assistance will be provided to students belonging to SC, ST, BC minorities pursuing higher education. Estimated 5,000 students per annum, sir. Rupees 25 lakhs into 5,000, that will again be 1,250 crores, sir. Remuneration of guest faculty in all junior degree colleges will be enhanced to rupees 42,000 and 52,000 per month, and rest, sir, for that the requirement will be 43.36 crores. Monthly remuneration of 5,000 to all practicing lawyers up to 5 years average 2,000, sir. If we take at 5,000, the requirement would be 12 crores per annum. 3,000 will be paid as pension to folk artists who cross 50 years, sir. Agar unko bhi lete hain, to 7.2 crores. Monthly living stipend of 3,000 for all the folk artists will be paid average 3,000 numbers, 10.80 crores. And then 12,000 financial assistance per month, or for incense and for lamps of to Hindu temples, sir, वो दिया जलाने के लिए और दूसरे चीजों के लिए 144 crores. And Argashri package enhancement up to rupees 10 lakh treatment in all diseases, 1,200 crore. To fulfill all these promises, sir, the requirement would be 3,07,012.86 as per my calculations, sir. So I might be wrong, sir. I might be wrong. I'm not saying I'm perfect in this. All right, this is why I demand that a white paper needs to be tabled and we need to have a discussion, sir. Because the people have voted for these promises, sir. And it is a responsibility of the government to fulfill the promises made before the election, sir. So the Deputy CM Sahib has pointed out that GSDP of Telangana at current prices has grown from rupees 13,02,371 crores in the year 22-23 to rupees 14,49,708 crore in current year, that is 2023 and 24, sir. However, the GSDP growth rate declined from 14.7% in 22-23 to 11.3% in 23-24 due to a fall in primary sector growth owing to adverse seasonal conditions, sir. So the per capita income of Telangana at current prices also increased to rupees 3,43,279 in the year 23-24 from rupees 3,09,912 in the year 22-23. Thus, the Deputy CM Sahib contradicts himself when he blames the previous government for mismanaging the state's economy and finances and turning a prosperous state into a begging bowl. Sir, under the good governance, through you, I would request the government to revive the District Development Review Committee in district in the state to provide a forum to review of developmental activities by the legislatures and MPs in the respective districts. Sir, on major issues and decisions relating to the policy, the government should call all-party meeting to discuss these matters before decisions are taken, sir. We welcome the promise to introduce the Right to Public Service Act, apart from setting up comprehensive portal for receiving and addressing public complaints and grievances, sir. Deputy CM Sahib has also spoken at length about SC, ST, BC, minority, women and child welfare, sir. However, there is no mention of SC, ST, Special Development Fund and similar sub-plan proposed for backward classes and minorities in his long speech, sir. Sir, with the new schemes proposed under the 6 guarantees, the declaration and other poll promises, there has to be a big jump in allocation of funds for the SC, ST, minorities and women child welfare. However, a closer look at the allocation mentioned by the Deputy CM Sahib reveals that the allocation of SC, ST have been reduced substantially to 24-25 for the year 24-25 compared to the budget estimate of for the year 2023 and 24, sir. Allocation of backward classes and women and child welfare have been raised significantly, but the allocation of minority welfare represents a modest increase, sir. There has been no mention of Mahalakshmi scheme on provision of rupees 2,500 monthly assistance to women in every household in the budget document. Even if assistance to only one woman in each BPL family, that is 1 crore ration card holder is given, the allocation required for assistance is rupees 30,000 crores, Sir Honorable Speaker, sir. I do hope that a full-fledged budget will set out the priorities, programs, schemes of the Congress government for the all-round development of the state and welfare of all sections of people, sir. Sir, I may recall the Congress manifesto promised to introduce minority sub-plan as also BC sub-plan to be named after Mahatma Jyotibai Phule. The manifesto assured the Congress government will spend 20,000 crores per annum amounting to rupees 1 lakh crore in 5-year period for BC welfare, but the allocation of rupees 8,000 crore in the vote on account budget indicates a huge shortfall of rupees 12,000 crores in the allocation, sir. So similarly, the Congress has assured to enhance the minority welfare budget to rupees 4,000 crores, apart from another 1,000 crores for provision of subsidized loans for minority youth and women. इलेक्शन के वक्त वादा किया था कि माइनॉरिटीज और अक़लियतों का बजट 4,000 करोड़ होगा और उसके अलावा 1,000 करोड़ देंगे, लेकिन जब हम आज देखते हैं तो हमको पता चलता है कि माइनॉरिटीज के लिए सिर्फ 2,262.32 करोड़ ही दिया गया माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर के लिए ओटन अकाउंट बजट में, जो हमारे बजट के इस साल के 2024 और 25 के साल में. In the current financial year budget allocation, rupees 2,112 crores, BROs issued 1,857.93 crores, and till now the actual expenditure is rupees 1,407.59 crores. That is only 64%, sir. Hardly 45 days left to complete the financial year. I request the government to release the payments from Treasury as early as possible so that this year budget will be utilized properly, sir. Sir, request for restoration of pre-matric scholarship scheme for minority students, sir. I would like to recall that the state government in undivided AP had introduced pre-matric scholarship. और ये pre-matric scholarship 2007 में हमने राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब के दौर में मुतालबा किया था मजलिस की तरफ से, और हमने ये इसका आगाज करवाया था, लेकिन आज प्री-मैट्रिक स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम स्टेट गवर्नमेंट उसको डिसकंटिन्यू कर दी है 2016-17 से. तो मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से मुतालबा करूंगा कि इसको भी आप फिर से शुरू करें. सर, आई ऑल्सो रिक्वेस्ट द गवर्नमेंट टू रिलीज द RTF, MTF, pre-matric and overseas scholarships dues to minority students and enhance the mess charges and pocket money of minority students staying in pre and post-matric hostels, sir. So, Honorable Speaker, sir, through you I would like to bring to the notice of the government is about the overseas scholarships. Spring 2022 season, 250 applications were cleared, sir. 13 crores are required. And for fall 2022 season, 250 applications, sir. The amount required is 51.50. These are the dues, sir. The total dues are 64.50 crores in overseas, sir. Spring 2023 notification was issued. Verification process has happened, but we do not know कि कितने लोगों को मंजूरी दी गई है या नहीं दी गई है. और fall 2023 notification is pending with the government. मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा कि पेंडिंग नोटिफिकेशन जो है उसको जारी करिए ताकि लोग दरखास्त दे सकते हैं ओवरसीज स्कॉलरशिप के लिए. And also, sir, pending demand, sir, of RTF and MTF. Sir, you would be surprised, sir, for the pending RTF for the year 2018 and 19 is 29 lakhs. MTF is 72 lakhs. For the year 18 and 19, sir, the total dues which are to be cleared are 1 crore 1 lakh, sir. For the year 19 and 20, 1 crore 5 lakh in RTF and 74 lakh in NTF. MTF, the total is 1 crore 75 lakhs, sir. For the year 2021, sir, the RTF 4.68 crores, MTF 5.66 crores. The total dues are 10 crores 34 lakh, sir. Sir, and if we have to see 21-22, the RTF is 73.77, sir, in crores, sir. And in MTF, 3 crores 38 lakhs, the total dues are 77.15 crores, sir. 22-23, sir, RTF for minority students, sir, the pending is 191.52 crores and MTF 16.29 crores. The total dues are 207.81 crores. 23-24, it is under process. RTF dues are 18.41, MTF are 7.03, and the total dues are 25.44 crores, sir. Sir, if we have to see the pending, sir, for RTF is 289.72 crores, for MTF it is 33.82 crores, and the total amount is 323.54 crores, sir. And all these bills are pending with the finance department. Through you, I request the Finance Minister Saab, Deputy Chief Minister Saab, Chief Minister Saab and the government, sir, to kindly clear this pending bills which are there with the Finance Department, sir. So for the year 23-24, financial year scroll pending with the government treasury again, sir, it is 205. I request that this amount should be cleared, at least this amount, sir. I know in the supplementary, we have proposed 132 crores for clearance of these dues, but that 132 would not be sufficient. I request that at least let us clear 200 crores so that what happens is that, sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is not just the situations of minority students, sir. The situation is the same for the BC students, for the SC students and all the students. मेरे उतना टाइम नहीं है बोल के मैं SC, ST और BCs के बारे में पूरी तफसील है मेरे पास, लेकिन काफी वक्त जाएगा। मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से मुतालबा करूंगा कि माइनॉरिटी SC, ST और BCs के जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनकी RTF, MTF जो पेंडिंग हैं, जो 4-4 साल, 3-3 साल से हैं, उसको क्लियर करिए। मैं जानता हूं कि फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन कैसा है, मुझे मालूम है सारी बातें। मैं ये कहूंगा एटलीस्ट आपके जरिए हुकूमत से मैं ये दरख्वास्त करूंगा कि वी शुड राइट अ लेटर्स टू ऑल द कॉलेजेस, all the trust and the societies running the colleges not to hold the certificates of the students who have completed their courses. At least we can do this. देखिए देर हो रही है, लेकिन मुझे यकीन है कि हुकूमत जरूर उन सारे ड्यूज को क्लियर करेगी. So we should issue a letter to the colleges stating that they should not hold the certificates, they should release the certificates, and government will make the payment. This is very important. Why I am saying this, Honorable Speaker, sir, is that after completing the course, like engineering or any other professional course, they are going for interviews. एक नई नौकरी के लिए, और नई नौकरी जब उनको मिल रही है, they are required to submit their credentials, certificates देना है, और वो certificates कॉलेज के पास हैं. तो उसको अगर हम लेटर भेजते हैं कि सर्टिफिकेट्स को नहीं रोका जाए और सर्टिफिकेट्स को रिलीज कर दिया जाए पेंडिंग दिस पेमेंट, तो मैं समझता हूं कि काफी स्टूडेंट्स का फायदा होगा. और बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट जो ओवरसीज चले गए हैं, जिनकी मंजूरी हुई है, उनके पैसे भी जो रुके हुए हैं, उसको भी अगर आप रिलीज करेंगे तो मैं समझता हूं कि इसमें काफी फायदा होगा. Sir, while the vote on account budget allocates 1,000 crores for construction of school buildings for residential school for SCs, and rupees 250 crores for STs, and rupees 1,546 crores for BCs, sir, I welcome this allocation, sir. I welcome this allocation, but at the same time, I would like to ask the government why no such allocation is indicated for school buildings of minority residential schools. I welcome. BCs को दिए वेलकम, SCs को दिए वेलकम, STs को दिए वेलकम, माइनॉरिटीज को क्यों भूल गए इसमें? शायद कुछ हुआ होगा. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इसको करेक्ट करेंगे और माइनॉरिटीज को भी इसमें लेंगे.
Speaker, sir, I would like to bring to the notice of Akbar Saab through you, sir. Minority residential schools also will be taken up, maybe a typological mistake. And second suggestion what you gave is to address to all private institutions, trusts and all. The government, basically our education department, we would like to do and write immediately. There is a right and very positive suggestion made by you. Definitely we would be going by it.
Sir, going further ahead with some few more minority issues, sir. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, I request the state government to provide more powers to Telangana Waqf Board in the form of giving it a judicial powers, क्योंकि औखाफी जायदादें तबाह हो रही हैं और कोई पुरसाने हाल नहीं है. और ये एक लॉन्ग पेंडिंग डिमांड है AIMIM का कि जुडिशियल पावर अगर आप वक्फ बोर्ड को देंगे तो उसके जरिए हम औखाफी जायदादों की हिफाजत कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि औखाफी जायदादें तबाह हो रही हैं. Waqf board is fighting, Honorable Speaker, sir, almost 4,000 cases in various courts and Waqf tribunals, sir. And most of the cases, sir, इसमें वक्फ बोर्ड जो लड़ रहा है गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ लड़ रहा है. तो इसके लिए मैं बार बार, सर, almost for the last 25 years I've been screaming, shouting about the protection of waqf property, sir. One thing which is required and needed is that, sir, कि हम एक रेवेन्यू ऑफिशियल, रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर साहब, वक्फ बोर्ड के ऑफिशियल्स एक मीटिंग कर सकते हैं, सर. मीटिंग कर देख सकते हैं, पता कर सकते हैं कि कौन से गवर्नमेंट लैंड्स है, क्यों गवर्नमेंट लैंड्स है, और ये क्यों वक्फ बोर्ड अपनी लैंड बोल रही है. We can reach to some settlement at least. The confusion can finish, sir. ये चीज नहीं हो रही है, तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इस पर भी गौर करेंगे, सर. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, श्रीधर बाबू साहब भी जानते हैं, वो मेरे साथ ऐवान में थे बरसा बरस, और वो सुने हैं कि मणिकोंडा जागीर के बारे में. मणिकोंडा जागीर के लिए जब टीआरएस हुकूमत में नहीं थी, तेलंगाना के लिए एजिटेशन कर रही थी, तो मणिकोंडा वक्फ की जमीन है कहकर मेरे साथ मुकदमा लड़ी, और लड़ने के बाद में हाई कोर्ट में जीते. मैं भी था उसमें, और टीआरएस पार्टी भी थी, और तेलंगाना बना. तेलंगाना बनने के बाद तेलंगाना के इख्तिदार पर टीआरएस आई, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस गया, और वो टीआरएस जिसने मणिकोंडा के लिए वक्फ की जमीन है कहकर मुकदमा लड़ी, वही टीआरएस गवर्नमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट में यह कहकर लड़ी कि नहीं, ये गवर्नमेंट लैंड है. तो वो सारी जमीन 1600 चिल्लर एकड़ वक्फ की जमीन चले गई, सर. एंड मोर ओवर, सर, मैं आप सुन के हैरत करेंगे कि कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट बोलती है कि हमने इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट बनाया है हमारे दौर में. मुबारक, आपने बनाया है, सही है, लेकिन ये क्यों भूल जाते हैं कि वो इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट भी वक्फ की जमीन पर बना है. हजरत बाबा शरफुद्दीन साहब की पहाड़ी पर बना है, वक्फ की जमीन है. तो देयर इज सो मेनी केसेस, सर. मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा कि बैठते हैं, बैठ के इस मसले को हल करते हैं, हल करेंगे, जरूरी है. क्योंकि इस तरीके से वक्फ बोर्ड एक तरफ तो मुकदमात हार रहा है, दूसरी तरफ हुकूमत क्लेम कर रही है. सर, अगर वक्फ की जायदादें प्रोटेक्ट हो जाती हैं तो हमको गवर्नमेंट की मदद की जरूरत नहीं है. वक्फ करने वालों ने तालीम के लिए वक्फ किया है, वक्फ करने वालों ने बेवाओं के लिए वक्फ किया है, वक्फ करने वालों ने बीमारों के लिए वक्फ किया है, वक्फ करने वालों ने मक्का और मदीना के लिए भी वक्फ किया है, वक्फ करने वालों ने इल्म के लिए भी वक्फ किया. तो मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा कि 20 साल से अकबर ओवैसी यहां खड़ा है, चीख रहा है, चिल्ला रहा है, औकाफी जायदादें, औकाफी जायदादें. तो प्लीज इसको प्रोटेक्ट करिए. हमारे मुतालबे पर सीबीसीआईडी की इंक्वायरी का ऑर्डर दिया था साबिका चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूं कि सीबीसीआईडी की इंक्वायरी की रिपोर्ट कब टेबल होगी, इंक्वायरी कब मुकम्मल होगी, कब वो लोग जो औकाफी जायदादों को लूटे हैं उनको जेलों में डाला जाएगा, उनके खिलाफ कब कार्रवाई होगी. हम चाहते हैं कि वो लोग जिन्होंने औकाफी जायदादों को लूटा है, तबाह किया है, बर्बाद किया है, उनको भी सजा देनी चाहिए. मुझे खुशी है कि हम कालेश्वरम पर, मेडीगड्डा पर बहस करते हैं और बोलते हैं कि हमारे पैसे हैं जो लगे हैं उसमें करप्शन हुआ और प्रोजेक्ट सही नहीं हुए, इंक्वायरी की बात हो रही है और कसूरवारों को सजा देने की बात हो रही है. मगर यह मैं कहूंगा कि वो स्टेट का पैसा है, तो औकाफी जायदादों की तबाही, औकाफ का पैसा अल्लाह का पैसा है, ऑलमाइटी का पैसा है. वो पैसा जो तबाह हो रहा है उस पर भी हमको कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए. अगर हम कार्रवाई नहीं करेंगे तो वक्फ बोर्ड में कुछ भी नहीं बचेगा. There will be nothing, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir, through you, sir, I would like to bring to the notice of the government and very important issue, sir. Sir, I had raised in my governor's speech, मैंने मुतालबा किया कि रमजान का महीना आ रहा है, रमजान की मीटिंग बुलाइए, रमजान के इंतजामात करिए, कुछ पैसे दीजिए. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, on the representation of MIM party and me, GO 81, dated 3/11/2021, minorities, rupees 105 crores grant in aid for the pending renovation and repairs of various Waqf institutions of the Telangana state. Almost 1,000 institutions. 1,000 institutions. Recently, rupees 1,500 crores were released from the finance department. Funds were released to the concerned district collectors to take up the pending renovation and repair works of various Waqf institutions. However, on ground, the works have not yet started in majority of the places, and some of the works are still pending. I request the government to call for the completion reports regarding these works and execution of these works. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, इसमें हुआ क्या मैं बोलता हूं सर. कलेक्टर्स को फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट से पैसा दिया गया, लेकिन उस वक्त के मौजूदा टीआरएस की हुकूमत ने हमारी नुमाइंदगी पे पैसा रिलीज किया, हमको खुश कर दिया. अकबर साहब आप बोले 105 दे दिए, और वहां कलेक्टर्स को बोले ये पैसा कहां लगाना है लगा दो, बाद में देखा जाएगा. और 105 करोड़ रुपए नहीं लगाया गया. सर, an action should be initiated against all those collectors who have misused these funds for other works, sir. And these works should be completed before Ramadan, sir. हमको एडिशनल पैसा देने की जरूरत नहीं है साहब. अगर यही काम हो जाएगा तो कई मसाजिद पे काम हो जाएगा, कई दरगाहों पे काम हो जाएगा. रमजान में मुसलमानों को काफी होगी. 105 करोड़ सर, 105 करोड़. आप कलेक्टर से मंगाइए साहब रिपोर्ट, मंगा के उनसे तफसीलात लीजिए. सर, एट द सेम टाइम सर, दरगाह बराने शाह साहब किबला, सर वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट सेंटर के लिए मैंने मुतालबा किया था 20 करोड़ रिलीज करें, वर्क पेंडिंग है. सर 10 साल से काम हो रहा है. मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से दरखास्त करूंगा कि वो मेरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में चंद्रायन गुट्टे में दरगाह बराने शाह का, इसके लिए कुछ पैसे दीजिए. कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को पैसे नहीं दिए, वो छोड़कर चला गया. नए कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को देकर वो काम मुकम्मल करवाइए. कुरमलगुड़ा की दरगाह में 50 एकड़ हम खबरस्तान को लिए और 30 एकड़ 32 एकड़ आना है. रंगारेड्डी कलेक्टर को बोल दीजिए 32 रिमेनिंग एकर्स भी दे दीजिए, तो पूरा एक काम मुकम्मल हो जाएगा. फिर इसके साथ सर, हज हाउस के बाजू में पुरानी बिल्डिंग है, 10 साल से स्लैब्स डाल के पड़े हैं. उसको कंप्लीट कराने के लिए हमारे मुतालिबे पे 25 करोड़ रिलीज हुए थे. फिर ये भी हुए. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूं कि क्या हुआ इसका. बीआरओस तो दिए गए, लेकिन पैसा आया नहीं मालूम. और सर, इसके साथ सर, द रेंट फॉर द टिमरीज बिल्डिंग्स आर पेंडिंग सिंस 8 months, sir. Since 8 months. Recently, Mr. Kanti Wesley IS was transferred. There is no one to look after. TS MFC and TSCMFC, sir. Sir, already the Urdu Academy का post vacant है, इसको fill करिए. हज कमेटी का post vacant है, उसको आप fill करिए. CEO वक्फ बोर्ड इंचार्ज है, बोर्ड को constitute करिए, किसी को भी chairman बनाइए. CEDM इंचार्ज, CEDM एक है जिसके जरिए कोचिंग दी जाती है, वो भी कुछ नहीं है, उसमें भी लाइए. सर, दायरतुल मारिफ ऑल्सो अंडर उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी में है, जहां पे उर्दू के मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स है, बहुत सारे पर्शियन, अरबिक, बहुत कुछ है. और 10 साल से तेलंगाना हुकूमत ने दायरतुल मारिफ को नेग्लेक्ट किया. बार बार हमने कहा. मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि यह हुकूमत इस पर भी गौर करेगी और रेगुलर ऑफिसर शैल बी पोस्टेड फॉर बेटर इंप्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर स्कीम्स. सर, हम देखते हैं माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट में, थ्रू यू आई रिक्वेस्ट द गवर्नमेंट टू प्लीज कॉल फॉर द डिटेल्स ऑफ द एम्प्लॉइज वर्किंग इन माइनॉरिटी डिपार्टमेंट. काम करने वाले लोग ही नहीं है सर. इस वजह से स्कीम्स सक्सेसफुली इंप्लीमेंट ही नहीं होती हैं. और फिर कहते हैं कि हमने ये दे दिया, वो दे दिया. सर, overseas scholarship notification has not been issued. I request that through you the government should issue that notification, sir. और सर, स्टूडेंट्स का मैंने कहा है आपसे, उम्मीद करता हूं कि उस पर भी गौर करेंगे. इमाम और मौज़नों को इन्हांसमेंट करेंगे. बोले इन्हांसमेंट जब होगा, मैं ये कहूंगा उनके जो ड्यूज है, रमजान का महीना आ रहा है, वो ड्यूज को क्लियर कर दीजिए. महाना पुराने हिसाब से दे दीजिए वक्त पे, तो रमजान में उनकी मदद हो जाएगी. उर्दू ऑफिसर सर्विसेज शुड बी यूटिलाइज्ड इन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स फॉर बेटर मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ उर्दू. सर माइनॉरिटी और अनीसुल गुरवा, सर अनीसुल गुरवा, देयर इज अ वेरी बिग बिल्डिंग. सर, आई हैव बीन फाइटिंग फॉर दिस अनीसुल गुरवा right from the time of when Mr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy was the chief minister. Sir, that Anisul Gurba was earlier with the Hindu Endowment Department. A case was won by the Waqf Board, but still it wasn't transferred. Rashekar Reddy Saab gave an order. It was transferred to Waqf Board. Then Rashekar Reddy Saab gave some amount for renovation of Anisul Gurba. Then I again demanded, then Rashekar Reddy Saab gave 300 square yards which had gone under road widening. Then I requested to Roshaya Saab. He gave again 500. Then I requested to Kiran Kumar Reddy Saab. He gave again 300. Then I requested to KCR Saab. Now it is on almost 4,000 square yards of land and a big building is standing there, sir. Sir, now the building is there. They want to let out for commercial activity. Sir, through you I request, sir, let us not give this property for any commercial purpose, sir. We can give that space for Timri's office. We can give it for minority other. We can give it for social welfare, sir. एक यतीम खाना है मुसलमानों का, गरीबों का, उसमें एक टिमरीज का स्कूल चलाइए सर. सर उसमें गरीब बच्चों की मदद के लिए एक छोटा सा एक बस्ती दवाखाना डाल दीजिए सर. वहां पे अगर आप शॉप्स को देंगे तो 1-2 महीने किराया आएगा, बाद में कोई भी किराया नहीं देगा सर. तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप इस पर भी गौर करेंगे जो मसाइल को मैंने उठाया है सर. सर, एट द सेम टाइम सर, so the Congress has also promised to rename Dalit Bandhu scheme as Ambedkar Abhaya Hastam and extend it to STs, also to raise the financial assistance of rupees 12 lakh per family. However, there is no mention of the continuation of Dalit Bandhu scheme, and the reduction in allocation of SC welfare indicates that no budgetary provisions has been made in the scheme for the year 24-25, sir. Sir, regarding the minority sub-plan, sir, and BC sub-plan, I may point out that this has been the persistent demand of AIMM in the United Andhra Pradesh when the Congress was in power.